I bet you're just as intrigued as I am about how those convenient ready meals we grab from the store are produced in factories. Yes, these colossal factories buzz with continuous energy, churning out thousands of meals in just a few minutes. It all begins with pots filled with precisely the right amount of premium rice. As water is added, the pots are sealed tightly, allowing the rice to absorb the moisture and settle perfectly. Once it's time to cook, the machines gently yet firmly hold those pots, inverting them to drain off the water. Now, using sieves, fresh water is added to the pots to cook the rice to the perfect temperature and consistency. A robotic arm clicks the steamer lid into place, and then these steam cookers roll out, attaching seals to each pot as they go. Precise temperatures ensure everything stays just right, preventing any overcooking or undercooking. When the rice is cooked to perfection, robotic arms step in once again. They carefully transfer the pots onto rolling iron rods, guiding them along the conveyor belt. It's all fully automated here, with no human hands involved in the cooking process. Pretty impressive, right? The rice is cooked and ready to be poured into trays, so let's fill the hopper first. After that, crispy rice, chicken pieces are added to the trays, completing the meal box along with the sauces. Hey, it's not just one type of meal box being prepared. You'll see meal boxes filled with veggies and delectable gravy. Once the boxes are filled, before sealing them, they freeze the trays to keep them fresh, flavorful, and preserved until they hit the store shelves for you to grab your favorite meal tray. As these trays glide along the conveyor belt, they head to the sealing station. Who wants to deal with anything less than 100% hygienic? That's why this sealing station is immaculate, with strict cleaning routines to keep every seal flawless and free from contaminants. Now these meal trays are all dressed up, wrapped perfectly and sealed tight. Of course, after sealing, the trays move over to the labeling station, where they receive tags with all the essential details, including brand names, ingredients, and expiry dates. Once these boxes are packed to perfection, this final stop ensures each box is securely sealed and ready to be shipped out. I'm sure my fitness enthusiasts are eager to see how their daily salad trays are crafted in factories. They pile on a generous serving of fresh green veggies, keeping everything beautifully separated. Next, tender grilled meat slices are added, elevating the dish to the next level. And since healthy meals aren't complete without eggs, they're included as well. These machines portion out spaghetti into trays, ensuring each one gets the perfect amount. Then the trays cruise down the conveyor belt to the "Welcome to the sauce station." Here, machines drizzle a luscious, tomato-based sauce generously over the spaghetti, ensuring that each tray gets a delightful splash. But before we dive into the process of making your favorite crunchy banana chips, let's take a moment to watch how these workers sort them, ensuring that every banana meets top quality standards. As the bananas arrive on the conveyor belts, they're peeled with precision, carefully avoiding any damage to that delicate inner fruit. You might wonder why we opt for green bananas instead of ripe ones. If you've ever pondered this, the answer is simple. Unripe bananas have a firmer texture and lower sugar content, which gives the chips that satisfying crunch. Now, these peeled bananas are sliced into thin, even pieces by cutting-edge slicing machines. After a refreshing wash, the slices are inspected to ensure they're just the right thickness. The hot oil transforms them into crunchy, delicious treats, and naturally, the crew wears face masks and gloves for safety. Next, the chips travel down another conveyor belt, where excess oil is drained, allowing them to dry out. This process makes them extra crispy, and then they're seasoned with flavorful, signature spices, ensuring that every chip is perfectly seasoned. Of course, any overcooked chips are removed, keeping your snack experience top-notch. Finally, the chips are sorted into perfect portions by this impressive, high-tech portioning machine, which ensures that every packet contains just the right amount of chips. Ice cream is an iconic dessert that never goes out of fashion, with its rich, creamy texture and endless flavor possibilities. Crafted from a blend of milk, cream, and sugar, it's churned to perfection for that silky, velvety delight. Each bite is absolutely divine, featuring everything from classic vanilla and chocolate to trendy new flavors. Whether you prefer a cone, cup, or stick, ice cream is the ultimate comfort food that always satisfies. Fried mushrooms, coated in a creamy sauce and breadcrumbs, create a delightful experience, blending crunch with smooth, savory goodness. The mushrooms are dipped in a rich, velvety sauce that elevates their flavor. Then, they're coated in golden, crispy breadcrumbs that add a satisfying crunch. Fried to perfection, you'll enjoy juicy, tender mushrooms enveloped in a crispy, flavorful shell. It's the ultimate snack or side, with a perfect blend of textures and tastes, making every bite an extraordinary experience.